not give the touch of ethics and humanity, you should not get the higher productivity. And that is the basic motto कि यह सिटी ने भी अभी आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि नहीं, अभी जो सिनेरियो आ रहा है उसमें इथिक्स और ह्यूमैनिटी का टच नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है. As a human is never considered as a machine. आप यदि ह्यूमन को मशीन कंसिडर करके उससे काम करवा लेंगे तो ही विल नॉट गिव द आउटपुट. If you want the output, that you have to consider the ethics and humanity in the working organization. Then only by considering these 3 points you can increase the productivity. Basically, so with this theme, I have planned this faculty development program to enrich the knowledge of the various faculties from in and outside of our campus. I am very happy that more than 45 participants has been registered. So as per our condition, there is a restriction that we should not take much more faculty from our host institute. So there are limited faculty from. Apart from that, near about 30 to 35 faculty has been registered from outside institutes, from various institutes, from Nagpur and outside. After that, I will brief about this faculty development program. In this faculty development program, there are 10 technical sessions. There are basically 10 technical sessions per day. Technical sessions are there. After technical session 1, there will be the article discussion 1. There will be the article discussion, and as per the IICT norms, we have make a group of 5 to 6 participants. 6 या 7 participants का हमने group form किया है. They have to make the presentation based on the theme of this FDP, and they have to present their presentation as per the slot given on your WhatsApp group. Secondly, as per the IICT mandate, we have to arrange the industrial visit where the participants should get the exposure for the industry. What they will learn by the expert person. The expert is not from our institute. All experts are from outside and renowned institutes and industry. So after that, we will plan the industrial visit. We have already planned the industrial visit for the Tata Advanced System. Tata Advanced System को 13 तारीख को Friday को industrial visit plan हो चुकी है. So these are the various schedule of this faculty development program. And not the least, I will thank one and all present here who graced this occasion with their presence. Thank you. Thank you to all.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request and invite to Dr. Nilesh Bhotne, sir, the Vice Principal of PIT, to please say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman of KDM Education Society, Shri J.N. Maheshwari sir, respected our Director, G.S. Natarajan sir, in their absence, respected Principal, Dr. S.B. Deshpande sir, respected Chief Guest of today's program, Mr. Ajay Kahalkar sir, Plant Quality Head, respected Dr. Awari sir, Head of Department, Automobile Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Program Coordinator, Professor Bankar sir, Co-Coordinator, Dr. Nitin Mandavgade sir, all my dear staff and all my dear students. Welcome to you all on today for Atal FDP on productivity improvement. I, Dr. Nilesh Bhotne, Vice Principal, Vidarth Institute of Technology, honored to have such a distinguished group of teachers join today for today's program. In today's event, we are promising and engaging and enlightening experience for all of you. Let's open our mind and heart to a new ideas as we come together to learn new facts and share knowledge. I would like to warmly welcome our chief guests and facilitators who have agreed to share their expertise with us. We have an exciting exciting lineup of the topics and activities for the week. So let's make the most of it. KDM Education Societies, Vidarbha Institute of Technology was established in the year 2009 with a mission to impart quality education to the society. College offers 4 undergraduate courses, 4 graduate courses and 2 diploma courses. Currently, we have total 1,455 students are studying in our institution. The institution has excellent infrastructure. All the departments are well equipped with good laboratories. The institute has very good academic ambience. We are happy to say that we all our faculty members, non-teaching staff, supporting staff, administrative staff are actively involved in the activity and are committed to achieve the common goal. And each one of them is appreciated sincerely for their wholehearted support and efforts. So today we are going to start our FDP program. I really want to congratulate all our mechanical department staff who had really worked hard to get this FDP to our college. I request you all to have applause for the mechanical department. And in future, we are planning and we will work hard to get more of this such a program in our institution. So with this, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. S.B. Deshpande, sir, the principal of VIT, to guide us.
Good morning to all. Chief guest of today's inaugural function, Shri Ajay Kahalkar, Plant Quality Head, Tata Advanced Systems. My friend, colleague, Dr. G.K. Avari, Head of the Department of Automobile Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Nagpur. Vice Principal, Dr. Nilesh Bodne. Co-coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Mandogale. Mr. Soni, again from Tata Advanced Systems. All participant faculty members from VIT